Hey everyone, this is Lord Snowman and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial is of course another DeviantArt related tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can schedule art to a specific date. But before I give any more details, I would like to say, how can you schedule an art to a specified date on DeviantArt? Well, the thing is, for example, I'm going to find some art, like some old art, like a re-upload for people who followed my other page. For example, this is a art I've done in 2018, which is the members of the data crew, which is from May 2018, I'm assuming. And of course, I don't need to put details. So when you click that, you can schedule, but unfortunately, it is a core feature, which is absurd in my opinion. It's absurd to have scheduling art as a core feature. Right now, I don't have core anymore. So, here is a remedy about it. I just found it several months ago. It is a program called PostyBirb. PostyBirb is where you can upload art to multiple websites at once. So, enable to download PostyBirb. I'll link it in the description box, so that way you guys can download it. So since you open it up, go to accounts. All these art sites are supported, especially DeviantArt, Discord, E621, Furfinity, Patreon, SoFurry. I haven't even set it up yet. Telegram, Tumblr, Twitter. It even supports Blue Sky, Furfinity, Ink Bunny, Ko-Fi, Newgrounds, Weasel. So, what you need to do is add account. So, to add account to DeviantArt, click on Add Account. You can call it account alias, call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Stilton Fanfic. And then click Add. All you need to do is click Login. So what you need to do is basically log in like normal, put in your username and password, and even enter the verification, all that, whatever. Let me pause the video. Thank you for your patience. Okay, I have logged in, and you can click this X icon right there. And now it is added to your profile. DeviantArt has been added. So, what you can do is click View on File, click or drag File to this area to create a submission. And once again, doing the same picture. Click on Edit so you can put all the details. Of course, in the title you can put whatever the title you want. And when it comes to uploading it to multiple websites simultaneously, it'll have the same title, rating, description, tags. Well, you can put different tags on certain websites if you want to. So, of course, 2018 art, the Data Crew lineup. What is the Data Crew? The Data Crew was a fictional cartoon group founded by my half-brother and his stepfather, in 2000. And I became owner in circa 2012 or 2013. And as of 2023, they split up, they've been disbanded. So of course, here's the title. General, which is of course has no nudity. Tags, not going to worry about that right now. Description, not going to worry about that. So websites, go there, click wherever you can find it. DeviantArt, click there. And schedule, right there. You can schedule it to any date. For this tutorial, I'm going to schedule it to the 17th of July, and then click Select Time. And the beauty of this is you can set a more specific time. Like, for example, you could set it to 4, and then the minute, like 4:30, even the second as well. You can do AM or PM, anytime. Which has way more detailed scheduling date compared to DeviantArt's scheduling engine. And then click OK. And the next thing you should do is click on schedule. Ignore that. And all you need to do is wait for that specific date. And once that date and time comes, it'll automatically post to your DeviantArt or whatever website you post it on. Okay then. Anyways, this concludes this tutorial. Hope it helps, and all the best.